So today I'm going to share a new dashboard which is the campaign analysis dashboard. So here as you can see the total sales, the total orders, gross profit, and here is the bar chart. Here this is the also total sales versus gross profit. This is for one of my clients and I have made this dashboard as they went based on their requirement. So here as you can see some drop downs for year, month, campaign, and this is another dashboard which I have made for my client also. Here as you can see the total sales, total orders, and his market's top channel, like where their total sales are mostly coming from. So here this is the sales by channel graph, this is the conversion rate by channel, and here is the customers by channel. And one more chart is for average order value by channel. And here as you can see some filter like type, like paid, unknown. After clicking on that, the every data will be automatically be changed. It's loading. Yes. Now you can see the changes, and if I choose both, then it will be also be changed. Yes. And if you want to change the channel, here you can do it also. And the data sheets are coming from here. Here is the data type for the channel type, sales, sessions, orders, conversion rate, cost, ROS, CPA, CTR, AOV, new customers, returning customer, and this is for the market analysis data, date, orders, gross sales, discount, return, net sales, shipping, total sales, gross profit, campaign, and the other things that they have. So if you want to make a dashboard on market analysis or in a campaign analysis dashboard based on your business, you can choose our team member by contacting us. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a good day. Bye bye.